Today, we're going to walk through building a revenue forecast for a subscription business model. And this would be a business like Spotify that charges a monthly price for a subscription to their platform. So we'll start by taking a look at the revenue formula for this business. So we can see on the screen that revenue is going to equal subscriptions times price per subscription. Throughout the entirety of this revenue formula, we're going to see that some variables are calculations while others are inputs. Inputs are known by us as modelers. Subscription calculations are going to be derived from other parts of the revenue formula. So price is an input, subscriptions is a calculation that's derived by retained subscriptions plus new subscriptions. Retained subscriptions is also a calculation derived from the previous month's subscriptions, subtracting out the churn subscriptions or the subscribers that left us last month. And churn subscriptions, again, is multiplied by the churn rate, churn subscription is derived by the churn rate multiplied by the previous month's subscriptions. New subscriptions, however, is calculated by the product mix, so the percentage of new customers buying this particular subscription times the total new customers. So let's see how this translates directly into the Forecastr application. So we can see whenever I open this drawer that the revenue formula that we just laid out is spelled out individually with each variable having its own section. And by section, I'm referring to these boxes within the drawer. And our job is to fill out these inputs and let the revenue formula do the rest. So I'll quickly show you how this works by using some sample data. Let's say we have a company where the price is going to be $10 a month. We can see that we've got our inputs denoted here as well as our calculations. So our subscriptions, our retained subscriptions, these are all going to be calculated. I'll call out the previous month subscriptions is a little bit trickier in that it is both a calculated value and an input. So to change our previous month subscriptions, we can hit edit, which will pop open this modal, and we can type in what our previous month subscriptions were and hit save. And now this is filled out. We've also got our churn subscription. So I'll put in a churn rate assumed at 5%. And then our new customers, which is we're assuming that 100% of our new customers are buying this particular subscription. And we can see here as we fill out these inputs that revenue at the top is being calculated real time, and the data table in the back is being filled out as well. And I'll also note that at any time we can add as many products as we'd like and really build out and enhance this revenue model. And when I hit done, I can see that the table has now been filled out, and I can drill in and see individually how my revenue formula is being calculated in real time. So hopefully this is helpful. Give it a shot for yourself. And as always, we're here for you every step of the way.